new payment has been received in your business and your team is not notified about that. You have to write all the new payments notification messages manually and share it with your team. You might miss out on some of the payments or enter some error data while entering the message. What if I tell you this problem can be resolved? Using the setup that you can see on the screen, whenever now in your business a new payment is going to be done by the customer, automatically your team will be notified about that on Discord channel. So hello everyone and welcome back to Pabbly. Without wasting any further time, let me show you how this automation is going to work. What I will do is, I will do a new payment using Razorpay right over here and check whether automatically the notification for that payment is shared on my Discord channel or not. So let us do the payment. I will enter all my customers' data right here and show you. I have entered all the details. Name is best customer, email is best@pabblytudes.com, this phone number, address is 01 New Road, city is Bhopal, state is Madhya Pradesh, this is the zip code. I'll do the payment from here. And over here I will complete the payment. It is going to ask me for my payment method next. I will select net banking and I will do the payment directly from here. I will select the status as success. You can see the payment is currently in the test mode. That's why I can select the payment as success currently. Okay. And you will see within few seconds the payment is going to be successfully done using Razorpay. As now the payment has been done successfully, let me go back to my Discord channel and yes, you can see the new notification has been shared. New payment received by best customer. This is the email, amount is 1500. This is the ID of the payment. This is the entire address as well as the date and time of the payment being done. So as now I have received the notification instantly, this is how the setup is going to work. Without wasting any time, let's create this amazing automation with the help of Pabbly Connect, because using Pabbly Connect you can create automations just like this without need of any coding and programming skills. I have already created a workflow using Pabbly Connect. In order to access Pabbly Connect, search for pabbly.com/connect on a new tab and Pabbly Connect's landing page is going to appear in front of you. Now over here you will find two options, sign in or sign up for free. Now if you're a new user, you're logging in for the first time, simply sign up for free from here, and as you are logging in for the first time, you will get 100 free tasks every single month to test out Pabbly Connect and its features. You can create the setup that I will teach you in this video right away absolutely for free. And if you like using Pabbly Connect and you want to automate your other business workflows as well, for that you can purchase our yearly and lifetime deals. And if you're planning to purchase any of our deals, I have a secret gift for you. The coupon code that you can see on the left side of my screen will get you instant discounts on the purchases. So go ahead, use the coupon code. Okay, sign in, create the workflow, and you will come to the interface of Pabbly Connect's workflow like this. Inside Pabbly Connect's workflow, there are two major steps, trigger and action. Trigger gives the commands and action follows the steps simultaneously. That is why there is only one trigger but multiple action. We'll set up our trigger right here, in which for the trigger application, what I will do is I will select over here as Razorpay. I want that as soon as a new payment by a customer is going to be done on my Razorpay account, my trigger should capture the response of that. So that is why I will select my application as Razorpay. Event I will select over here as payment captured. And then I'm going to click on this connect button. You will receive a webhook URL using which you can create the connection between Razorpay and Pabbly Connect. Copy this URL from here and follow the steps one by one. Log into your Razorpay account. My Razorpay account is currently on the test mode. You have to follow the same steps in order to create the connection between Razorpay and Pabbly Connect for your live account as well. Now after coming over here on your Razorpay account, go to accounts and settings section, and then under website and app setting, go to webhook section. After coming to website and app settings webhook section, click on this add new webhook button. Add the webhook URL in the first field, enter the secret if you want, select the alert email. Over here for the event, select the event as payment captured and create the webhook from here. As soon as you will do that, it says webhook saved successfully. As now this webhook has been added inside my Razorpay account, let me go back to my workflow. It says waiting for webhook response. So now to check whether Razorpay is successfully connected to Pabbly Connect or not, what I am going to do is I will do another payment using Razorpay and check whether automatically my trigger captures the response of the new payment being done or not. I will open the link of this payment page on a new tab, and now I have to enter my customer's details right here, which I will do. I have entered all the details. Amount is 1500, full name is new customer, email is new@pabblytudes.com, phone number, street address is 18 New Lake City, city is Indore, state is Madhya Pradesh, and this is the zip code. I will do the payment from here. This is a test mode payment, so I will do the test payment right over here. My payment is going to be a successful payment, so I will select success right here. And as soon as I will do that, automatically the payment is going to be done through Razorpay. And as I've done that, automatically you can see in the trigger the response has also been captured, and you can see right over here I've received the order ID, address as 018 New Lake City, state as Madhya Pradesh, this is the pin code, phone number, customer's name is new customer, email is new@pabblytools.com, city is Indore, method is net banking with all the other details. So as now the response has been captured in the trigger, Razorpay is connected to Pabbly Connect. Now there is one thing. You can see right over here the amount is coming as 1,50,000. But as the payment was done, it was only done for 1,500 rupees. What happens in the trigger of Pabbly Connect with Razorpay? The amount will always come with 2 extra zeros. So we have to remove the 2 extra zeros from here. And how can we do that? We'll divide the amount with 100 and the 2 extra zeros will be eliminated automatically. So now in order to perform the math operation, add an action step in which for the action application, select over here as number formatter by Pabbly, and the event is going to be perform math operation. Click on this connect button. Now we have to enter the numbers where we have to perform the math operation, and we have to enter it like this. Both of the numbers should be separated by a comma so that you will get the result just like this. Now we have to enter our amount first. Now for the data of this field, I will map the data. Click on this field where you want to map the data, add a slash, previous step is going to appear where you have to search for the amount, and you can see this is the amount right here that I want to perform the math operation with. So I will select this amount from my previous response. As now this data has been selected from my previous response, the data has been mapped, and as we have mapped this data, the data has now become dynamic. That means now whenever a new response of the new amount is going to be captured in our previous trigger step, automatically the new data will be updated in place of this mapped data, and my next number is 100. So I'll do that. Operation is going to be divide. I'm going to click on this even send test request button. I've received the amount as 1,500. Okay, so now I will send the notification on my Discord channel right now. For that, simply add an action step in which for the action application I will select over here as Discord legacy, and the event is going to be what? Send channel message markdown. Then I'm going to click on this connect button. We have to now provide the webhook URL. How can we have the webhook URL? Log into your Discord channel where you want to send the notifications. Under the text channels, you have to go towards this settings section right over here, and in settings go towards this integration section. Then go towards this webhook section and add the new webhook from here. As soon as you will click on this add new webhook, a new webhook is going to be added. You have to click right over here, and for the name of the webhook, I'm going to give it as Razorpay Payments. Okay, channel is general where I want to add the webhook, and then simply what I will do is I will copy this webhook URL and save the changes from here. Copy the webhook URL. Okay, as we have copied the webhook URL, pasted in this field. This is where you find the webhook URL of your Discord channel from. Next, it is asking for the message that I want to send. I want to share a notification just like this on my Discord channel. So what I'm going to do is I will simply copy this message and paste it round right here. Now it is asking for the customer's name first, where I will map the data of the name of my customer. Next, I will map the data of the email and other details right here and show you the entire message that I'm going to share towards my Discord channel. Okay, so let me do that. So I've entered all the details. Now it is asking for the date and time last in this message. So I will search for the date and time, but I have received the date and time in a timestamp format. Now I can't enter the timestamp format right here. So for the date and time, firstly save this step right over here so that the entire message will not be deleted. Add an action step before Discord in which for the action application select over here as date time formatter by Pabbly, and the event as format date with time zone. We are going to change the format of our date that we have received. For the date, I will map the date of the created date that I've received right here. From format is going to be the timestamp format, and the to format is going to be the simple format that I want. Okay, from time zone is going to be UTC time zone. We'll receive the timestamp in UTC, that is I've selected, and the to time zone is going to be Asia Kolkata time zone according to my country, and I will click on the save and send test request button where I've received the date and time successfully. Now as I've received that, I will map the data of this date and time in this field right here. So this is date time formatter. I will map it. Okay, and then I do not require any other fields, so I will skip the part. Text to speech is disabled, and then I'm going to simply click on this even send test request button where I've received this response, which is a positive response, and yes, you can see the notification has been shared on my Discord channel of Razorpay Payments. New payment received. You will see the same customer's details is shared on my Discord channel. As now this notification has been shared, this means the connection between Razorpay and Discord is now been created. Now whenever a new payment is going to be done through Razorpay and by any of my customers. Currently, we have sent the test payment details, but in real time, when the customer's real details are going to be there, the real details will be shared on the Discord channel automatically. So this is how the setup is created without need of any coding and programming skills. Did you see how simple it is? You can build this connection as well. If you have questions or doubts related to this setup, comment down below and I will reply to you as soon as possible. The workflow link of this template is also added in the description section. You can go ahead and directly use that. The code is also added, with the help of which you will get instant discounts on the purchase. It is added in the description section. Okay, so this was it for this video. Thank you so much for watching.
Not just this connection, you can create multiple other automations using Pabbly Connect. If you want to know about the different plans that Pabbly Connect provides you, you can check out the link given over here. And if you have any queries related to it, you can email us on sales@pabbly.com. If you have any questions or doubts, comment down below and we'll reply to you as soon as possible. Subscribe to our channel and thank you so much for watching.